Island Max here again. We're in beautiful Montego Bay. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're in the Fairview shopping center area. Gonna do some business in Fairview. Always everybody doing. Bless up everybody. One love Jamaica. Showing you what Montego Bay looks like on a busy Monday morning, and see tourists ahead of us there on their bicycle, doing their bike ride. I noticed they're doing a lot of bicycle tours in and around the Montego Bay. They have been to the different communities in St. James. See them there right in front of us. Let's catch up with them. So when you come to Montego Bay, you can sign up to get on one of these bicycle tours. They are electric bicycles, pedal assisted, as you can see here. Look at this. So this is one of the ways you can enjoy Montego Bay. It's just a coincidence I'm driving and they happen to be in front of me, right? So you can catch up. You can be a part of one of these bike tours where you're more connected with what's going on. You get to see the ins and outs of Montego Bay, etc. It's such a beautiful experience. Look at that, and the police is directing traffic way on top of the road there. Lovely. Everybody is in their safety helmets. Look like they're going towards the Boga side. Look like they're going to turn right. We're going to turn right too, so we'll see where exactly they're headed. Look at that. Lovely, man. So when you're in Montego Bay, you can be a part of some of these tours. Other activities include going to the beach, you know. You have different food stops as well, gift shops. A lot of ways to enjoy Montego Bay. And they're signaling with their hands that they're gonna turn right. Beautiful. And here they are on their way. Again, if it's your first time in this space, do remember to tap that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment. We're showing you the beauty of Montego Bay and Western Jamaica. We have been even to Kingston. We've been all over. We're showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. We're going down. We're going to make the left turn. They're going ahead of us. We're going to make the next left turn and head towards the West Green Fairfield intersection, onto Westgate, and then onto Barnett Street. Hope we can catch up with the visitors. We have the green light. Let's see if we can catch a green light ahead. They have paved this area. Look at this. All of this intersection recently paved over the weekend. Beautiful. I'm going ahead of them. They're just enjoying their bike ride here. Just lovely. So when are you coming to Montego Bay? Let me know in the comment section. They have switched lanes. Beautiful, man. They're just enjoying themselves in Montego Bay. Alright, let's go. So this is the Fairfield West Green intersection. We're going across the road, but look at this. They dig up the road here, so we have to slow down on the green light. Amber in front of us, we have to make it across. And we did. Just in the nick of time. So we are now on Barnett Street. They did some paving also in Barnett Street, so we're going to see exactly what it now looks like. Let me know who's watching the video and where you're watching from. See some vehicles on the roadside here for sale. You can get a nice BMW, Mazda. Yeah. A lot of BMW now in Jamaica. A lot. Everybody has a BMW now. Look at that in front of us. BMW again. Alright, see the Chinese here working on the bridge on the left. Yes, it's a China Harbor engineering company that is expanding, widening this bridge. See them right here? Doing some steel work. Okay, so in front of us they have paved this area. So everything here is freshly paved. Though I'm not seeing any drains though. Just asphalt, no drains on the side. That is not good. So this is Westgate and we're on Barnett Street. Okay, so all of this area, look at that. On the left or on the right, there is no drainage system. No form of drainage. Car Jars Plaza is on the right. Way over there. You turn in here and go over to the Car Jars Plaza. So when are you coming to Montego Bay? Listen man, it's bright and sunny. We went to the beach over the weekend. The water is lovely. We have a lot of videos to upload. Turn off the AC and wind down the window. We have a lot of videos to upload at Montego Bay and Jamaica in general too. So ensure that you stay tuned, stay locked in by subscribing to the channel. Still on Barnett Street. And as you can see, it's a lot of traffic. The vehicles passing me on the right, they're going to make the turn to Mount Salem. Still having little issues here and there with our internet service. Remember, after Hurricane Melissa, it was really a struggle to get proper internet service. That it has affected me in terms of my uploads as well. We're still having little issues. Digicel and Flow are the two companies providing internet service, both landline, not landline, both, we call it now, wired internet and wireless internet, mobile internet. A lot of traffic on the road, man. Taxi men trying to cut the line. Oh, you know the taxis, they have on red plates. Yeah, so taxis have red plates. private vehicles have white plates, and green plates are licensed to carry materials, etc. They carry a license. So all of these vehicles here, you see on the left, trying to cut the line. Look at them. And it can cause accidents, you know. Look at this, look at this. You see it? Nobody wants to wait. Alright, so there's the clock. We're now in the clock area. The clock is right up there, but it needs some repair. Isn't there some international agency that or organization that can just come to Jamaica to repair our historic clocks? They play a very important part in our culture. Yes, especially back in the day when we weren't as technologically inclined or advanced. These clocks were a symbol. And they need to be repaired. Yeah, they need to be repaired. It adds to the whole aesthetic of Western Jamaica. Vehicles cutting the line. Alright, look at the paintings on the wall on the right. Part of the Jamaica 60 celebrations. See the Jamaica 60, see the logo there? Jamaica 60. Alright, this is clock. Who used to take taxi here? Taxis here used to carry, well, could carry persons to sign, Irwin, etc. This is what clock looks like right now. Alright, so we didn't get through here, so we're going further down on the road. So this is the Cool Oasis gas station here. Lovely. Alright, let's meet we're on Barnett Street again. And as you can see, it's getting overcast. Looks like we're going to get some rains. Alright, let's head further down. The road here needs some repair. So it's about 10:30 a.m. in the morning now. So students are in school. But the traffic is still tough. But they're trying to cut the line in front of me here on the left. Yeah. Everybody's cutting the line. A lot of roads, well, to the left, they have blocked off a lot of the roads down the market area. They're doing some road work. So all of the traffic is here on Barnett Street. That's Bashko on the left. Too many cars passing through the heart of Montego Bay, man. They need to have some shuttle or something to ease the congestion on the road. So almost all the shops on the right, if it's not a pharmacy, it's probably Chinese owned. If it's not either Chinese or Indian or Syrian. There's a furniture shop here on the right. The traffic is moving a bit here. Let's go, Mr. Driver. Again, remember to tap that subscribe button and like the video. This is Island Max on the road, trying to get some business done. Catherine Lane, that's the name of this lane here on the left. Why didn't I know that? I'm just knowing this now. Systems store is on the right. Peter's Fashion is here as well. Ringo's, who remember Ringo's? Alright, so that's Quartz in front of us. All of the guys that sell phone case, etc., phone cards, they're on the left there. Block the walkway, but they allow them to do it. I don't know why. It's a walkway and the municipal corporation allow them to block the pathway with their stalls and cards, etc. Way over there, that's Pier 1. See some visitors there walking along the roadway. We're going on the Howard Cook Boulevard now. Alright, let's go on the Howard Cook Boulevard. As you can see, there is a lot of traffic here. Down the windows a bit, turn off the AC, want to switch lanes. Amber got us here. See over there. New Golden Felix, look at that, all these Chinese writings. But that's the current case here in Montego Bay. Did they fix the bridge here? Nope. So that's Harmony Beach Park there on the left. But we're going to make a right turn now onto St. James Street. Let's see if we can catch the arrow, the green arrow. Nope, we can't. It got us right here. This is one of the busiest intersections in Montego Bay. Want to make the right turn. That's Mount Alvernia way up on the hill. Some of the students there in all white. Just amazing. Listen me man, Montego Bay is buzzing right now. The hip strip, Montego Bay hip strip is to the left. See some of the guys there wiping the windshield of the vehicles that are passing by. If you love Montego Bay, tap the thumbs up button, like the video man. We're showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. Alright, so straight ahead, that's the Queen's Drive that will carry you to Top Road, and it can carry you back to Sangster International Airport. Waiting on our turn. Again, let me know who is watching this video, where you're watching from. Are you in the US, UK, Canada, Asia, Middle East. Our hearts goes out to the people in Middle East with what's going on there. A lot of innocent is getting caught up in what's going on. Are you in Australia, New Zealand? Let me know in the comment section as well. We love interacting with our subscribers and our viewers. Let's go. Alright, the Parish Library, St. James Parish Library is today, right? Some of the visitors here. See if they want to use the crosswalk now. These are some of the students from the Mount Alvernia High School. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's see if we can go over to the Parish Library. A lot of persons haven't seen the Parish Library in years. They probably use it at schools during their time at schools. But they just haven't seen it since. You won't see these videos anywhere on the internet, man. Let's see if we can turn into the Parish, St. James Parish Library. The police is blocking the entrance. Let's see if we can fit in. They're probably attending court. Yeah, the entrance here is blocked, man. Let's see if we can come through. But a lot of police vehicles park over here to attend the court that is across the road. So this is the St. James Parish Library. When last have you been here? It's such a beautiful place. Nice and quiet. You can just come and read a book. Let's see if we can get somewhere to park. Let's see what's going on. So we got you at the St. James Parish Library. We're going now back onto Montego Bay Road. That's the courthouse over there. That's the St. James Parish Courthouse on Montego Bay Road, Montego Bay. Very narrow exit here. Take it wide. And this is a one-way street, by the way. Green light ahead. Alright, we made it, guys. See? Harmony Beach Park straight across the street. Let's merge. KFC line always full. Yeah, man. The KFC drive-in is always packed. Jamaicans just love chicken. Love chicken. They take MoBay take and KFC make we take chicken to another level. Oh, they're having something over Harmony Beach Park. What are they having? I see a stage set up over there. But we can't enter. I hear a police vehicle, not sure where it is. Everywhere I look, I see tourists moving about. more tourists again. Let's make the left turn here, and more traffic again. Oops, this is the wrong turn. Wrong turn for me. Wrong turn. Let me see if I can switch lanes. Wrong turn. Let's go back onto Howard Cook Boulevard. My bad. Let's go. Wrong turn I made. This is the turn that I should have made. Going now onto Harbor Street. Right, this is Harbor Street. Trying to find a parking spot on the left. It's paid parking. Let's slow down a bit. There's one right here. Let's see if I can get in. Let me see if I can get in right here. I don't remember how to park. I mean, how to park. We did it. Going to do some business and get back. Alright, so we got through. We got our parking ticket as well. That's what the parking ticket looks like. We got the amber light, so let's wait. Such a beautiful morning. Moving around town, it's such a hassle though, because of all of this traffic. Alright, let's head to the Mega Mart area in Cathedral. That's where we're heading now. So we're on Harbor Street. We're blocking the intersection. Alright, let's go. Somebody's crossing on the green light. Let's go. Police are here as well. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Far more taxis are loading here. Alright, so this line on the left here is for those who are going into the Bay West Shopping Center car park. So because of that, now the road is split into three. Look at this, and the taxi man can't wait. He cuts the line here. It's just crazy. On Harbor Street, going back onto the Howard Cook Boulevard now. KFC. There's the bucket. A bucket of chicken. What a way to put it. Like school is having exam and notice a lot of persons leaving school early. Alright, so straight ahead is the hip strip. Let's go onto the Howard Cook Boulevard. Alright. Let's keep in the right lane. Harbour City is on the right. Red light. Guys, it's such a we love Montego Bay now, but moving around Montego Bay, it's very discouraging because of all of this traffic. You waste a lot of gas, so you have to know exactly where you're going and you have to be direct and know exactly what you're doing in town. No idle movements, because one wrong turn on a street you don't want to end up on can cost you a good half hour. Yeah, so you have to move around Montego Bay purposefully. Know what you're about, get in the town, do what you're doing and get back out. Need to charge the device, have to turn on the AC because the device is getting hot. Good to go. Breaking the intersection. He's not supposed to cut across, but look at it. Oh, he has his siren on. Nobody wants to stay in the traffic. So many here with some hand carts. Car mart here on the left. Wow. Still on the Howard Cook Boulevard. If we did turn on the left here, it would have carried us to Lower Bevan Avenue to the market, Charles Garden Market. By the way, I need to know who is Charles Garden, that name. Look at the hills surrounding Montego Bay, just a beautiful picture. Look at all the traffic on the right going back into the town. I'm glad I'm heading out of the town. If you've made it through the entire video, let me know in the comment section, man. We love it. I know you love Montego Bay. I know you love Jamaica. That's why you stick and stay. I need to start a tour company. A lot of persons asking me to do tours, but I don't really do tours. Don't have the equipment and what I need to conduct tours, vehicle, etc. My vehicle is not suitable. But from you watch these videos, man, you can even rent a car and navigate Montego Bay. Just download my videos anywhere in Montego Bay or Jamaica you want to go. Just type it in my search bar and look for the videos. And you will find it. Just look for Island Max, type in where you want to go in YouTube and you should get a video. We've been all over. So this is now the West Green Boulevard. Mega Mart is to the right, and they are doing a lot of work here in Catherine Hall. A lot of work is being done in this section. Flagmen, flag ladies are here. Alright, so look at the sidewalk that they are gonna install on the left. You notice how high it is? And they're putting in drainage, etc. on the right. So all of this is part of the Montego Bay road project, the new Montego Bay road project that they're putting together. They need to hurry with this section. They're moving very slow according to my standards. Yeah, it's a little bit slow for me. Especially after the hurricane, there should have been a big surge here. They need to get some of the Chinese working here. Chinese work a bit faster than the Jamaicans. I noticed that Chinese have better equipment. They're more efficient. This is Catching All, guys. Thank you for sticking and staying. This is Island Max. Hope you've learned a lot about Jamaica and Montego Bay. We're keeping you updated. Until then, my people, I have to make a run now. Have to make a run. Tap on the video on your screen. Subscribe, like the video. Bless up. One love.